far knee here. Okay? As he gets frustrated, he may start to turn in. When he turns in, keep your bottom leg against his hip and flat on the ground. The bottom leg. Well, that's easy. It's easy once I get it up. Just to get it up. See, a lot of people when they're here, they got their leg up like that. And as they try and get it, they've got to get it down and then get it up. By that stage, the guy's pulled his leg out again. So what you want to do is, while you're riding him, you want to have your bottom leg flat. So when I'm riding him, it's easy for me to get it here. You don't even have to lock it. You just hook his leg and sit up. You don't even have to put it under his foot. You just keep it there. You don't have to lock it. Lock it, it's when you go over.
But you got that foot.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Stops him from going to his knees. Now he can try and go to his knees. Looks like I got his arm. Bottom leg flat. Riding.